Yes! We
Everyone.
have that Friday coding feeling, don't we, Michael?
Yeah, I do.
We do. Which is good, because
It was right on time as well. Woo!
yes, we have.
Just wanted to check.
Leanne R, aka me, said, woo. Let's do this thing.
Yeah.
Evil. Oh no.
Oh no. What? Oh right, I see.
Might sound a bit better now. Actually got the mic in front of us and not pointing towards the ceiling.
That's right. It's a little bit closer now.
Anyway, Michael will fix that. While I introduce everyone, yes, Evil Coder is back. Peter Burkett is saying, we don't look so sure about it in the thumbnail. Maybe we're going to change our mind and do Doom instead. Oh, I've never actually played Doom, have you?
Yeah, of course.
You have?
Like,
Maybe
course.
we will then. Maybe we will.
I mean, that'll take a while. For sure.
Yes. Hello. Hi. Is back. Got G1. Are you in Oslo? We are no longer in Oslo. We were in Oslo, but now we're in Wales again.
Yes.
Hello. Dry humour. Mohammed says that does sound better.
That's good.
Good
Yes.
to know. And Nabil and Dr. Morpho. Way. So, first things first. The all-important... No, not that.
Not that.
I've got a new one now. Yeah.
Whoa.
We have a tradition here. If you are new here, please put a bunny rabbit into the chat. If you've been before, hit me with that tiger.
Wow, look at that. That's a banner now.
We don't do anything with this info. It's just for fun. SJH says, hello, everyone. Love from Scotland.
Hey.
We went to Scotland once.
Yes.
There were many rainbows.
Yes.
It was nice. Yes. Oh, where in Wales are we? South Wales. Yeah.
Southwest. Yeah.
Indeed. Woo! Howdy. What are we trying to build today? Wow.
Oh, I can't remember.
See what he did there. We will be building a memory game.
Hey.
Yes, which will be great for us. Lots of more hellos and ooh. Yes. Hey from England, Bill from Sweden. Yes, many more hellos and bunnies and tigers popping into the chat. But without further ado, let's code.
Yes. Do we have a mock-up or anything?
Nope.
No. So what is a memory game that you wanted to play?
Well, the only one that comes to my mind is, you know, the ones where you have cards.
Do you want to Google them maybe?
And then you flip them and you have to match them. No?
Not sure.
This type of thing.
What is that?
You have to turn them over and match the pictures.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Right.
So I guess we will go with that one. Yes.
I see. So, all right. So it's like you have like 4 cards or something. You know, you flip one. There's like a bunny rabbit on it. You flip another one. There is
It's
a tiger.
yeah.
And then they flip back because you didn't match them.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Wow. Okay, fair enough.
Div with a class of card.
Wow. Yikes. Okay.
Close div, and I will for now put and then copy this tiger, and then I guess another one of each. Maybe they should be buttons.
That's all right. Let's just keep them. Let's just keep them as good for now.
Okay. We can always semantically improve it later.
Yeah, let's make them larger.
Okay, height. Oh, what was it we did last time? Instead of doing height and width, you can just do size, I think. 300 pixels? Maybe that was a dream.
What?
Oh no, I think I just haven't saved this actually. I think size does work, I just didn't. Oops. Yeah, never mind. Let's just continue. So that seems enormous now.
Yeah, but I think to make emojis big, you need to do it through font size.
I don't want to make the emojis big though. I want the card to be a square kind of thing. Border. 2 pixels. Sorted. Hot pink. Is it me or is that a lot bigger than 300 pixels? Maybe it's actually not. Let's do 100.
Yeah.
Margin. 1M. And then order. Just because I cannot stand to look at pointy corners. I really can't, I hate it. Okay.
Okay.
Wouldn't it be better to use padding for that? I think if we used padding for that, we might run into an issue where if the font, i.e. the emoji, is taller than it is wide, you wouldn't end up with a square, potentially. We definitely always want them to be the same size, because the other potential problem with that is if we had an emoji, like if the bunny rabbit was a lot smaller than the tiger, then the whole thing would end up a different size overall. Interesting point though.
Okay.
Oh, keep the bunny rabbits and cats, and not cats, what are they? Tigers, they are cats, coming into the chat. Yes. Called pears in my childhood. Yes, we will call that. Good. Renaming. Exclamation mark.
I didn't know that game had a name, to be honest.
Pears. I think it's called pears. That's what people are saying. So we must listen to the public. Yes.
Yeah.
Hi from Uganda. Let's do this. Yes.
Ooh.
Use aspect ratio. Oh, that's complicated, man. Maybe later.
Aspect ratio? For what? Oh, so instead of height and width, you basically say aspect ratio.
Aspect. Can you do that? CSS aspect ratio 1:1. Okay. I mean, that sounds kind of nice. Then wouldn't we still need...
I think you still need 1 dimension or something.
Huh?
Nice.
Yeah. So what?
What is it underlined with green?
Oh, this is some of the newest CSS properties. Scrimba complains about them, even though it does actually use them. Not really sure why, but nothing to worry about.
Okay.
Ooh, aloha from Shanghai.
Oh.
Pretty sure all the emojis have the same size though. Well, it's interesting you say that because I found out once by accident. Don't ask me how.
Yeah, they don't.
It really annoyed me because the full-size tiger you can see is smaller than the tiger face.
Yeah.
And then, let's put that there. When you get the cat, it's way bigger than the tiger, which is a bit annoying. But anyway, continuing on.
Yeah, they do take slightly different widths. It's like with characters as well. So letters don't take the same amount of space. Like letter capital I or something. It will be slightly narrower than P and stuff. Obviously, it also depends on the font.
Totally.
But yeah, emojis are a little bit different.
I'm going to add a utility class called Flex to all of these. Okay. And then, I mean, really it's flex center. Okay, let's not get tied up with the naming of things. Justify content, center. Align items, center.
Ooh.
Yeah. And then I guess this div needs a class of container. Because
Oh, you already have a class.
oops. Container. And then here. Let's do max width. Something's gone horribly wrong. And I'm not sure what.
Is because the flex applies to every single one. Okay. Go back to CSS. Do you want display flex on every single one of them?
Yeah, because that's what's centering the.
Even on the container.
Yeah, although that's not actually. Oh, okay. I think I know what the problem is. Height 100. Viewport height. Okay. That's now in. Actually, it's centered horizontally and vertically. Is this max width? Hold on, let's put the old background color light blue. Why not? Oh. Probably would make more sense to have that on the body. No.
Why?
No, it wouldn't. No, you're right. I think it would, but then I would also need.
Am I?
Kind of a, yeah. I think if we do this and then we also have flex on the body, that's what I'm trying to do. It seems like a lot of flex, but maybe it's needed. Yeah.
Do you need it on the container though? I
Um,
don't think you do.
I think I do, because otherwise they're all going to be in the top left.
Oh, I see.
And, well, I need it to arrange them like that anyway.
Okay.
Horizontally is the new CSS property for centering a div. Awesome.
Yes.
Why we need to add flex class to contain a div?
I think we just answered that. Because if you remove it, it basically makes it... So it makes it vertical.
They go under each other.
Yeah.
Leanne is having a dialogue with herself. Yes. It's the best way forward.
Yes.
Only one body tag, so no need for a class name. Yeah, that's a fair point. But then if I didn't use that, I would have to copy these.
Into body.
Well, I suppose what I could do, which would be a bit nicer, could be...
You still need that.
That hasn't actually...
Yeah, but you can now
Oh,
flex
okay,
the
yeah,
ratio.
yeah. Got you. From here.
Yeah.
Thank you for the heads up, Peter Burkett. Also, do we need the flex class on the main container? Is that the same question as...
Yeah, I think so.
I think so. Because if we don't...
Right,
Well, I mean, no. I wonder if we could do it some other way, like making them inline or something, but yeah, let's keep it like this for now. Okay, I think we should put... This can go.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's what I was trying to do. Oh man, they are too big for that.
Why do you need that property anyway?
Oh yeah, I mean, I don't do it. They can stay like that for now. Background. White smoke.
Mm.
Actually, I don't like that. It's
Okay.
so plan for making the game.
Well, basically, yeah. Once you collect, I think we can do the card flipping part. That's not that hard, but I suppose like once you click.
You say that.
I remember I've written a blog post about it, but
Oh.
I have no recollection of how to actually do it.
Okay, hopefully you can find that blog post.
Yes, but yeah, I don't remember how to do it. Like, not a clue. But I suppose like once you click, you can flip it. That's you putting up the different comments.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. So once you click it, you can flip it, and then we'll try to remember that. So I suppose with JS.
Before we do that, some people are saying, and I agree with them, this is why grid makes more sense for this type of layouts. Grid would be nice.
Grid would be nice.
I'm a bit intimidated by grid.
I mean, let's do the flipping logic, and then you can update the CSS.
So then we can have a think about grid. All right, yeah, because otherwise we'll end up with no logic.
Yeah.
I don't want that. Grid template areas. Tiger rabbit, tiger rabbit.
Well, I think we can just basically. Yeah. So let's just grab all the cards. Get elements by class name. Card. So did we get the cards?
HTML collection.
It.
I always make things functional before adding style and animations. How about everyone else? Yes, I would agree. I make it bearable to look at, i.e. not the built-in default that comes with the HTML. So I do the minimum styling that I can stand to look at, and then do the logic, and then make it pretty.
What is it? Content? I think text content. So we can get basically every card will have that text content. So the idea is that once you click on the thing, we try to get the content of that card, memorize that, and then when you click on another card, so it will stay flipped. So you click on it, you get. Let's just simulate this. So like, let's just const first clicked equals. There we go. And then we say, for example, we click on the next card. Should be a tiger const second clicked, and that will be text content. There we go. So we get those, and then we basically can write if first clicked equals second clicked. I don't know.
Console log, yay!
Yeah, let's just write console log. Will not yay, but keep the cards picked, and else. No, not boo. Console log.
Rotate back.
Yeah, rotate back.
What would you choose, the on Scrimba, grid or flex, if you had a lot of time?
Okay, so we're basically saying rotate back because we've basically picked these. So let's now.
For this, I would choose grid.
Let's now add function card. Do we want to get flip? Yeah, I suppose you do. So you want to add an event listener that keeps a track of every card that is flipped.
Keeps a track of it.
Well, I suppose we're trying. Yeah, I don't want to get too much ahead. So let's just say, let's just add an event listener that when you click it, it rotates to simulate just pick the card and say this is what you have chosen. So pick card. So what we're going to do is just simply console.log this dot text content. So once we click on it, it'll grab the div and give us the So now we need to say let's just go over every single card.
Right there. When to choose query selector or get element by. I don't think there's a huge difference. Just with get element by class name, you don't need to worry about remembering the dot in front of the class name. But if you use query selector, you would need to.
Yeah. Actually, so look, is there any difference in cards? So I'll just leave this pseudocode out. This is an HTML collection, and if we get query selector all card. So it's a node list.
What does that mean?
I don't know. Node list versus HTML collection. So somebody already written something.
One is live and one is static.
HTML collection. It only includes the matching element, class name or tag name. Doesn't include text nodes. Provides only two methods: item and named item. Ooh, interesting. And node list. They look like arrays but aren't. Ooh, so node lists have defined for each method as well as a few other methods. Ooh, so probably we actually do want that, because we do want to loop over for each and stuff. Ooh, interesting. There you go. You will learn. And it kind of saved us from a bug, because I was looking for each on the cards. Oh, there you go. Now there is a for each.
Yeah. Oh man, I've been locked
Good tip.
out.
Card got it. Card event listener. Pick card, and I would say we should do it on a click. Okay, so yeah, this is a bunny rabbit, this is a tiger, another bunny rabbit,
Sure is.
another tiger. Okay, cool.
Yay.
So once we pick the card,
every time I hit that, I think it's going to be cha-ching, and it's not. Well, that's what I was aiming for.
Okay, so now what we can do is probably we can say let first. Actually, let's just say let pics, and that will be an array. We'll just say let pics, and then what we are going to do is just we're going to say pics dot push.
That is what Witcheck said.
Over here.
Adding it to an array called cards are. Yes, I like the naming.
Okay, there we are. So we do have that. But what we want to do is the array to be limited to only two choices, and basically we just want to be.
Why are there so many bunnies? Did you just?
Well, yeah, because you keep clicking.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and it adds another one. But what we want to do is somehow limit them to only two.
When I said why are there so many bunnies, you could have said because they breed so quickly.
Could have. Missed it.
Next time.
Yes, next time.
Cairo. Lovely. This is a very interesting project, says Mohammed.
But then, to be fair, we actually don't need to limit the array. We just need to compare the two
Only the
elements.
last two, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so I suppose that does make sense. Anyway, so we have to pick the card. So what we're going to do is actually some card
Very good, Sarah.
flipping CSS logic. Just going to write that there.
Why are there so many tigers, says Dave? Well, that's the real thing that doesn't make sense, I guess.
Yeah, pick card and then
Or we could actually limit the array with this idea from round it if pick.length is... Should that maybe be the other way around? Well, in any case, if it's bigger than...
Yeah, so if the length
if it's
is
bigger
less
than
than 2.
or equal to 2, then wipe it or something.
Yeah.
You could use that approach.
Yeah, we can figure out once we get slightly closer to it. So
but I actually think it's better to not limit the array, because then you've got the potential of giving people a score based on how many goes it took them to solve it. Potentially.
Yeah, done.
So we just need to compare the last 2 in the array.
Yeah, so we need to compare the last 2. But first, probably what we are going to do is we're going to say let picks and we'll put a boolean which is called like matched equals false. So this will basically keep a track if we have flipped one card, the second card, compare, if not, flip them all back together. So we'll see how it goes.
Dave's saying, wouldn't you just grab one card and then compare the next one and then repeat?
Wouldn't you just grab one card, then compare the next one? Yes. So right now, we don't know if we have how many cards we have.
Oh no.
What's going on?
I've broken the internet. No, I haven't.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to...
Resize stuff.
Resize stuff. Yeah. Okay, there we go. I think... So, that is what we're doing, is it?
Well, yeah, I think so.
I like your top, Michael. Yes.
Ah, thank you. I'm not entirely sure why you resized that, because now it looks a bit cut off here.
Yeah.
That's
Okay, that's good like that.
Yeah. Let's get back to it. Okay, cool. So,
can we make it flexible so you can try a game where you need to find all 3 of the same card rather than limiting 2 pairs?
I'm sure you can,
One thing at
but
a
like, yeah, let's not get too ahead of ourselves. Or one thing at a time. Anyway, so some CSS, some card flipping CSS logic. So basically, we pick the card and we rotate it. So anyway, I have I don't remember how to do it. I just remember that I've written about it.
Luckily,
Yes.
Michael has an idea.
See, it says card flipping, I think.
Didn't you make a weekly web dev challenge about that once?
I think so. Oh, I called it RSVP. Well, there you go. Damn it. I used to be first, but now somebody in W3 Schools created it. How to flip a CSS card. Anyway, yeah, so I have written how to flip. Oh my word, this GIF is broken. It's embarrassing. Anyway. So, there is a playground.
On Scrimba, no less.
On Scrimba, no less.
Yes.
So what's up? Oh, that's a start. Sorry, that's the starting.
Nice hover stick.
If you fancy playing with the code, okay, cool. So start with simple HTML. Okay,
We've done that. Oh, you need a front and a back.
Yeah, they're basically separate. So
okay.
you start with the front and the back. Okay, cool. Let's go for it.
Careful not to limit your options too early in the dev. Fair point, well made.
Okay, so what's it? Bunny.
Code Clock says that's what we call scope creep.
Yes.
Woodbeck has an interesting idea about using reduce. Could be the way to go.
Yes. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so that's the back.
Front and back, but for some reason it's
Not showing.
way larger now.
What is?
Like
bunny.
this emoji is larger than this emoji.
I think it's because that's inside. Is it?
Oh, it's H1. That's why. That's why. Yeah, cool. Okay, that's all right.
Oh, you.
Yeah, I just made
So
it.
what's that on line 13 then? I don't think that should be there, should it?
Yeah, it should, because it's all part of this big card div.
Oh.
Yeah, so you have a front and then you have a back.
Okay.
And
Got
let's
it.
do the same. Front, back. Front and back. Cool. Okay, so
Pratham called it H1.
tiger, bunny, and this should be. Okay.
Look at him go.
So now we have the cards. Okay, well, what else past Michael has written? Okay.
He's a clever guy.
So the container has position absolute, background none, top 50, left 50, transform, translate, minus.
I don't think we need that because that is going to center what's in it.
Yeah, okay.
But we do need position absolute on the card div. Well, we need it somewhere. Maybe not on the card div.
I think it should be on the container. Oh, actually, no, because it centers the card, right? Yeah, we don't want that.
No, this is going to. At some point, we need to put the back behind, I guess, the front. But let's do that then, because. So what class? Back. Dip. Okay.
Back.
Yeah, I was just thinking actually front is going to be. Oh man. Okay, maybe I won't do that. No, I think it's good. I'm going to copy refactor shortly.
I think you don't really want to do that because.
No, actually, I think it would be much easier just to do
I think the front and back of the card should be exactly the same anyway, which is why you do it through the card.
Well, they can't be the same because then what would be the point of it? But anyway, back. Yes, this is actually good. Light pink. Border radius. Yeah, this is actually good. And then position. Absolute. And now this needs not display. Position. Relative. Okay. Now there's a few things in here.
I was saying position absolute, you need to also semicolon.
Card. Everyone in there. So that will be front and back. Refactoring a bit here. That can stay with. Actually, yikes.
Yeah, I think you want to grab height aspect
I
ratio.
know this goes in That isn't grabbing the front though.
I think that's because you don't have. That's because you moved it off the card.
Child selector. Oh no, that's not what I want. Selectors cheat sheets.
Yeah, okay.
Common selectors selects all elements of right. Combinators. Difference. Oh right. Select the descendants instead of all descendants, like the descendant selector. Where's the descendant selector then? I feel like I should know this by now. Oh no, it's here. Yeah. So maybe it's just. And dot card dot back.
What are you actually trying to fix? I don't see it.
This pink.
Yeah, but that's I think that's.
Oh no,
wrong.
the border actually is. Okay, that was the issue, but we don't even need that border, so yeah.
Yeah.
Keep it simple, then iterate. It's the agile way. Yes. Thanks.
Yes.
Put display none on the card for now. Which one?
Yeah, so with a flip.
On the front of it.
Yeah, with a flip, you kind of do that.
Yeah.
I think. Actually, I don't remember. You should look up.
Seems like a good idea. Okay. Can we use set index as it's already positioned? Think so. Need display none until the click event. Yes. I feel like. Okay. Yes. As you were.
I mean, well, it will be a little bit harder to do it now because
Why?
Because I don't remember what I'm doing.
Oh.
Anyway, okay, so we have added the styles. Okay, so the back, you always see the back first. Okay, so to show the front, you need to say backface visibility hidden. There you go, on both sides.
I think we might be overcomplicating this. Oh no! I don't.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that made it a little bit less. But anyway, let me just quickly go back. I must have linked somewhere.
Yeah, but this is making a whole whole animation.
I actually haven't linked to the final code. That's annoying.
Past Michael.
Oh, hang on.
Will pay.
Oh no, it's an image of the rendered code. Oh, God, I hate myself.
Michael.
I shouldn't have done that. No, Past Michael rendered the code above as an image. Ugh, who does that? Oh, mate.
Look.
Should have linked to a separate one.
Yeah, but
Look.
we don't actually need this because that's making a whole animation. Whereas what we can do for now is we just need to put the front in front.
Yeah, so you want to actually say back display now.
Okay.
No, the other way around. So.
No.
Yes.
Michael, look.
Oh.
So. I will never be silenced.
Why? Look.
Why is this
Leanne,
not Michael?
Just give me.
The aspect ratio is not working. I don't know why.
Have you just closed it? No. Oh, thank God. Man, just do this.
But Michael.
No?
The aspect ratio is not working on the card, and I don't know why.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, mind. No, now as you were.
Man, why did you do that? We're getting into a mess here. We got to fix this, Michael.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this. Okay, that is good.
Yes.
Aspect ratio is working and everything. So why, I ask you, is it not working on these?
Because there is no styling on the front. You only have styling light pink and everything on the back.
Yeah.
But there is no
I just
styling
put
like that.
that background white. And then comment. Okay, so now hopefully my idea about selecting everyone in there. I don't get why that's not. I want to select all of them. All of the descendants.
Oh, but they're not descendants, are they?
They are descendants of card.
No, because they're next to each other. Actually, no, they are descendants.
Front and back are descendants of card, so I don't know why I can't select them.
Hard dot. Front. Then one together, no spaces.
No, that's something else. Wait, you just display none when the card is clicked. Yes. Anyway, let's not worry too much about it. Card. Okay.
There you go.
It is annoying me that we haven't solved that, but never mind. Some life.
I'm not entirely
questions.
sure what the problem actually is.
Okay. Card.first child. No, that's used only for direct. I think they are direct descendants, though.
Maybe for HTML, not CSS. Like HTML descendants. Tags, not classes. Don't know.
Anyway, let's move on.
Anyway, yes. Now we have that. Yeah.
It's
Now.
so no. There was an idea from. Why don't you just display none when the card is clicked? Says Evil Coder.
Yes. So there you go. We have display none. We have display none. You click on this, and then you add. Well, not to all of them, but basically just on that clicked card, you add display none. So pick card.
Or add a class called show front. I reckon.
Yeah. So. Yeah. And now basically pick card, and then we'll just go this dot classes.
Class list dot add. I'm not sure that's worked.
Oops. Like that. No, it didn't. Why not?
toggle CSS class JavaScript.
So that does give us the div. Right.
Classlist.toggle. That's what you've got, isn't it?
Yeah, but it gives the whole card. But so I get the whole card, and I'll grab the back of it and add display none to this. Right, so I want to say, is it like children or something?
Really?
Yeah. JS, HTML, children. So I have yeah, it should be just children. Interesting. Okay, there we go. I have
collection.
a Scrimba collection.
Scrimba collection.
Yes. So I know that it should be back. We go. So is it the wrong syntax or something?
Where is it?
Add class.
Evil code is saying don't use a dot in the class name. Do you have that?
Oh, really?
But it's not. I think it's something about this.
Okay, element class list dot add. We don't need this. Need that. That. It's class list dot. It's toggle and what do we call it? Show front.
I think it needs create thingies.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Huh.
There we go.
Surprise bunny rabbit.
So you toggle one, and then you toggle another one.
Whoa.
Okay. So now you basically do the toggling bit. You show what it was.
Yay! Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you can. Okay, so now we can flip them. So basically, now as we can flip them, what we need to do is basically we need to write this logic that. Okay, so
Compares them, basically.
Yeah, so basically we start with all cards.
Oh. No, we just need the last one and the one before that.
Let me just write it out. We start with all cards this way, with all the cards at the back.
Okay.
You pick one, then you pick another, okay, and then basically you match or flip back.
Mm-hmm.
And then if matched, if they're matched, you keep them face up. Disable clicking. So like once you, for example, pick 2 bunny rabbits, you should disable being able to click on them again. So you should remove those event listeners from them.
I don't think we need to worry about that at the moment. The most important thing is comparing them.
Well, that's not the most important thing, because once, if you
It's
just
the
rotate
most
them...
important thing ever, okay?
Okay, so then you keep them face up, you disable clicking, so you can only click on the remaining ones. Oh yeah, and also obviously the game ends if all cards are flipped. So we can probably, we can probably do that somehow. But yeah, that's where the game ends. Anyway, so it starts with all cards at the back. Let's just go one by
We've
one.
already done that bit, haven't we? Because that is the default, how it starts out.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, so that's the default. Start over. So now, once you click on pick the card, we'll push it to the picks. We have one pick, and then you probably want it as an object, to be honest.
What? Why?
Okay, so
We don't need an object.
no, but here's the thing. So okay, look.
We just need to save them.
You always need, if you always compare the last ones, right?
Yeah,
So you
we're
say-
just gonna do pix dot length. Why are you writing the word bunny?
because if you have picks, if you have picks dot length, it will give you a 4. How do you know if you need to flip it or not?
No.
Oh, actually, no. Hang on.
No,
So-
the event listener is on each card, so you
Okay,
just
so-
need to save the text content of that card,
Okay, done.
push that to a new array called
Done.
chosen cards or whatever.
Yeah, we have it.
Right?
Yeah, next.
Good. Yeah.
So we do that.
So then my idea is going to work, I think.
Okay, so we.
If pix square bracket pix
Okay.
dot length equals pix square bracket pix dot length minus 1, console log comes up.
Oh, I see. Okay.
I reckon.
Do you want picks? Okay, pick, and then pick. So we're basically pick. Pix.length will not give you anything.
What
Because
do you mean?
it gives you okay, let me console log pix pix.length.
Yep.
Undefined. So in order to get the last element, you actually need to do this.
Okay, yeah.
So,
Yeah, because of the zero indexing business.
Yeah, so you need -1
Got you.
and -2. So now, if we do that, -1 and -2,
Hmm.
you want to then gate to be able to do this only when you already picked 2 cards. So let's go down this route. I was kind of like thinking that it would be very annoying and cumbersome to do it, and so I was like trying to find a way how to avoid it. Because right now you have.
Well, what happens currently then?
So currently, nothing. Don't know why. Okay. It gives you unknown error because it tries to access -1 and it tries to access -2, but there's only one there.
So what we got to do is if pix.length minus,
So now you go like,
2.
okay, run this only.
yeah.
when pics.length is more than or equals to 2.
Pics length minus 2 won't work when there's only one card selected.
Yeah, so now basically you have to do this workaround. Okay.
Yeah, so if pics.length is less than 2, return. I'm always hesitant to use return. I don't know why.
So if pics.length is more than 2 or equals, then you run. But else, what do you do?
Return.
Yeah, you just return.
Okay, let's give that a go.
Okay. Okay, now we get unknown error. Why?
Can you press the refresh on the mini browser? Okay, good.
Pick the banner a bit. Pick the other one.
Unknown error. Give it the old FN F12.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Check out. Pic is not defined.
So I think. Oh, I see. Hang on a second. So let's just go and tox content dot. I think it's kind of like trim or something. What does it push? It actually pushes it. So it pushes it with these empty spaces, which is a bit annoying. Console log pics. Let's see what we actually get in there. I'll disable all of this. Okay, so we get that.
I don't think the cards should have an H1 in them. That's for sure.
I think that's. That's kind of the trim.
Yeah, but that might be what's inserting those spaces.
Yeah, it is, but you just need to get rid of it. So you want to say, there you go, trim. So that should.
Yeah, but I don't think we should have an H1 in the cards, mate.
There you go. Now that does it.
Oh.
So you trimmed it, so you trimmed, you sanitized the input and stuff. There you go. Okay, and now
Yeah,
it works.
but you wouldn't need to sanitize it if you hadn't mudded it up in the first place by using H1s all over the shop, would you?
Yeah, but you do have to use H1 because it makes it better.
No, it doesn't.
Anyway,
You shouldn't use an H1. You should only have one H1 on a page. You know, it's not for styling. It's not semantic, Michael.
I think it's alright.
It's not. It's not. It should be a paragraph with a bigger font size. Yes. Ooh, what Peter says. What does Peter say? Pics.length should be pics.length. Ah, you've made a typo. Look, there. Pics.length.
I don't see it.
Here. Should be pic.
Right.
And
Good
that's why
spot.
it wasn't working. I am thinking the same.
Okay, so now it says that it matched.
Yeah, but you've put console log matched for both of them.
Oh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Time to pop a can of beer.
Why not say the last pic content
Okay, there we go.
variable
So-
to compare it to recently clicked?
So it says not matched, in which case, is it if matched, disable clicking, but if not matched, obviously, I need to say here, if not.
Not semantic is not fine. Thank you, Peter Burkett.
It is semantic.
It's not.
What do you mean?
You put an H1 for everything, so every single one of those bunnies and tigers is a heading.
Oh, I see what you mean.
And it shouldn't be. It should be a paragraph.
Yes.
That's what I was trying to tell you.
Yeah, but I can't hear because I was like, it doesn't work. So if something doesn't work, it's quite hard to hear other concerns. But anyway, if they're not matched, then obviously we need to toggle those completely.
Yeah. Class list dot toggle show front.
Yes. But how do we know? Which one was it?
What for? You don't need to know that. You just need to toggle this.
Yeah, but it will only flip the last one.
No. Will it?
Yeah. It's so that's a bit annoying. So
yeah, but
it
it's
flips
list
it.
dot children one.
This dot children, it basically now it tells like which children do you want, because you have two inside. So you basically have
All of them.
no, it's only like the front and the back of this card. So you're trying to flip.
And these are not headings. Not in this case. No, I guess they could be sometimes.
No, so basically what happens here is
On line 15, says Afro Healer, you have pics.pic instead of pics.pics.length -2.
I think we've already corrected that.
Okay. You need to collect both in a temporary variable.
Yes. So I do wonder. So basically, the choice is: do you put instead of emojis, do you stick the node elements into your pics, or do you, which I think is a better option, you basically say it's can I just move in a bit, or do you basically just query selector all
Why?
grab all the ones that show with a front shown, and now basically you say shown for each card that is shown. You say class list toggle
I don't know about this.
boom, bam, done.
Huh.
Oop, there we are. So it does flip it, but we probably want to add like a little timer.
But then that's going to flip all of the matched ones as well, isn't it?
It will, yes. So you want to avoid that. Yes.
I'd say so.
So basically, you'll have to keep a track. So the way I wanted to do it instead of an array, because now the problem is, you see, if you start from scratch, you pick a rabbit, you put a tiger, it's not matched, but now it's
Didn't
comparing.
flip the tiger.
No, because it happened instantaneously.
Oh.
So you need to put this on a timer to put a delay. And now the next thing you're gonna pick, it basically has rabbit, then it has a tiger. The next one you pick, it will compare to the previous one, but it needs to start over again because the cards have unmatched.
Interesting. Wow.
Which is why I think that the better approach would have been to then pick, you say pics, you had create an object, first, second, and then instead of saying if pic length yada yada yada, you basically just go grab the first one, and then only do them if both. So only run this logic if first and second are running, and then you basically do compare the first and the second. If they unmatch, make second first, and then listen to another, maybe.
Which I think is along the lines of what Peter and Wojciech were saying. Yes.
Well, I suppose, yeah, it would be a similar one.
Very good indeed. Wow.
And yeah,
So
and do run this on a timer, actually.
what we have learned from this
Simple games are hard.
is that there is much more to these memory games than meets the eye. Interesting. Well, that is all we have time for
Oh, yeah, I know.
today. But
Oh, blimey, it's already 6.
it is.
Yes.
We will be back next week. Oh, I have yet to make it public. I'll do that now. Bear with me. This one.
Where is it?
It's alright. I'm getting there.
Oh, okay.
See, it's good to have music, so it's not so awkward when people have to wait. That's the wrong one.
I don't think anything is happening.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on. Yes.
Okay, here we are, back again. Sharing the
I think you need one.
screen. This one. Yes, here we go.
Whoa.
Back again next week, I hope.
Whoa. What is going on?
I'm trying to make the next one public so I can tell the lovely people what's going to happen next week, Michael.
Oh, I see. So now we can go on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There it is.
This one? No.
It just took a while to load, but here we are. We will be coding a habit tracker.
Ooh.
You like habit trackers, don't you?
Not really, but I kind of have to do it. Yes.
That's what we will be doing next week. So hope you can join us. But before then, I will be talking to Katie Code Stuff
Ooh.
about leveling up your tech career. So don't miss that one. And
Good.
if you have any ideas of what you would like to see us building in the next stream, drop it into the chat. Not Doom though. That might be a bit beyond our expertise, as I think we've demonstrated by struggling with a very simple word or memory game. Yes. Any closing thoughts, Michael?
Enjoy your Friday.
Yes.
Yes.
Anything else?
No, that's it. That's it. Just have fun. Have fun on your Friday and on Saturday.
But not Sunday.
Sundays are rarely fun, are they?
No, I don't know. They surprise me sometimes.
Do they?
Yeah. We look a lot more sure of ourselves in the habit tracking app than we did in the memory game one.
Do we?
Yeah.
Interesting.
So there you go. Make of that what you will.
I will.
Thank you all for coming. It's been wonderful hanging out with you. Oh, it is already Saturday for Anna. Oh, exciting.
Oh, wow. Congrats. Oh, right. You're in Australia or something. Or New Zealand. Or Fiji. Fiji, probably? Fiji?
Etch-a-Sketch project. Oh, my God.
Whoa.
Track Scrimba, Discord, YouTube, any social media, or like a scraper. More crumbs. Saturday here in the Philippines. Yes, have fun and enjoy your weekend. Asia. Yes. Okay then. Good luck with all your coding projects.
Yes.
And don't forget to keep coding.